Yeah. Are you going to do some cleaning in your kitchen? Yeah. Are you going to clean the cups?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't forget to run the water. Great job cleaning. Are you going to put those in the trash now? Are you all done with those? Yeah, let's put that in the trash.
Mama.
Yeah, let's put that in the trash. That's not the trash. Where's the trash? Oh, you're cleaning more? Goodness. The table, that's right. Cleaning the table. Oh boy. You're gonna clean the book? Yeah, you're cleaning the table. Okay. You're gonna clean the ducky? Yeah. Doggy?
Yeah.
There he is, right down there. Oh, careful. What a good idea. Yeah, dirty. You're making it clean. Doggy's gonna be all clean. Aww, you got your doggy. It's a little slippery now that you've wiped him down with that wipe. Why don't we put those in the trash? No? Right. Keep cleaning like this, I'm gonna have to start paying you.